your ex has dumped you, and you just do not know how you're going to cope with this. You do not know how you're going to carry on, because they are all you have known. And it's almost like you're not a full person without them anymore. And to top it all off, you've just found out that they're actually seeing somebody else. But how the hell have they moved on so quickly? How have they just forgotten about you? Did you ever matter? Did what you had ever mean anything? All the things that they have said to you, did they mean that? Now you're in a heap on the floor, and all you can picture is that they are living this amazing fantasy, amazing lifestyle. All of the things about them that just drove you mental, they're not doing all of them things in your mind anymore. No. They're going to change for this new person. They're going to be the best version of themselves for this new person. They're going to do all the things that you asked them to do, and they never did for you. And you can even see it on social media. They're going to restaurants that they would never have gone to with you. They're going on holidays that they would never have done with you, or add in whatever it is that they are doing. The problem here is, my darling, is you are not seeing the full picture, because the truth of the matter is, it is highly likely that when your ex broke up with you, they'd been thinking about it for quite some time. They'd been worried and panicking about how they were going to break it to you, questioning, should they break up with you, shouldn't they break up with you? They then told you they don't want to be with you no more. Right now, they are feeling relieved. Let me tell you, and I'm sorry to say that, but they are. To break up with somebody is not that easy. It makes you feel bad, especially when you know that that person doesn't want to break up with you. So they've actioned it. They've then gone on to something shiny and new. And come on, guys, we all know what it's like. You know, you get that new car, you get that new pair of shoes, that new jacket. It's amazing. But how long does that last for? In all honesty, before real life kicks in and you realise what's important in life. Because, my darling, let me tell you something. While your ex is busy running off, making new memories with somebody new, thinking it's all fantastic, they've not taken one moment from your relationship to process the relationship, to look at what they have lost, to look at their part in the breakup. They have not taken a second to do that. So while you're home crying, just know that you are healing, you are processing, you are going to be looking at yourself, you're going to be looking at the part that you played in the breakup, you're going to be looking at how you can improve yourself, you're going to be looking at what you actually want in life. You're not monkey branching into the next relationship, repeating the same mistakes time and time again. Because let me tell you something, darling, it's like building a sandcastle in low tide. It looks fabulous from the outside, it looks sturdy, it looks amazing. But when that tide comes in, there's no foundations. There is nothing there holding it together, and it just smashes to pieces. And that is why I hear so often people say, oh, my ex now wants to come back to me. Now it didn't work out with the new person that they're with. If that should happen to you, you really need to ask yourself a question. If you let your neighbour into your house and they stole your most prized possession, and then a month later they came back and told you, I'm really sorry, I'll never do that again. Well, you might let them in your house again, but really, would you put your prized possessions around them again? Would you? And let me tell you now, relationships are all built on trust and feeling safe. And if you don't feel trust and you don't feel safe, my darling, you don't have a relationship. So let them monkey branch. Let them realise that they were so busy picking up stones that they threw away a diamond. And let them realise their mistake. You move on strong, because, my darling, you deserve better. You just need to realise it.